before we go through to the front, I'll show you this swarm box, which might be of interest to any beekeepers watching this video. It's made from an old oak drawer and some clasps that I salvaged off a skip somewhere, probably. In the side there's all sorts of things. This is completely my own idea. It's not made from a plan or a copy or anything. It's my own idea. I'll show it to you. This is a slide for ventilation. Behind there is a panel of perforated zinc, and so when you're carrying the bees, the heat generated in the box is a concern. So you can give them some ventilation. Also on the top there's a ventilation hole too, which I've taken the round cover off. At the front I've made a front which can do different things. If you've got two tubes for entrance there, or one tube for entrance there with ventilation, or you can close the two entrances off like so. Inside it holds about 6 or 7 frames, a dummy board possibly. There's the ventilation holes on the inside that I showed you, the sliding door before. On this wall, this was so I could demonstrate it. I did talks to WI meetings in the old days. So this side has got a sliding observation door, and you can see the perspex is broken. The ruler is hardly usable, and the whole box needs restoration. But if this can give you an idea of making your own swarm box, then go for it. It's been very, very good. The only thing that's wrong with it, and it's quite a problem, because when you get a swarm, the swarm itself is quite heavy, as you beekeepers will know. And this box is made of an oak drawer, and this oak drawer was very heavy to start with. So the thing is, don't choose oak. I would say if I had to think of a wood that was good to use for a swarm box, I would suggest red cedar. It's long lasting, it's lightweight, and it's very nice to look at.